बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम 6th क्लास के MCQs पढ़ेंगे। आपके पास है कलेक्शन ऑफ well defined and distinct objects is called. Student, this is the basic definition of set. Set's definition is a set is a collection of well defined and distinct objects. यहाँ पर आपके पास 4 options हैं: set, subset, power set and superset. So this is the basic definition of set. The next is different terms are called like terms, unlike terms, simple terms and open terms. So they are unlike terms. 24 ratio 36 ratio 48 in its सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म। अब आपने क्या करना है, इसको इसकी सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में लिख देना है। 6 के टेबल से जो है आप इसको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, 12 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। सो हम इसको 12 से डिवाइड करते हैं। 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36 and 12 4s are 48. 2 ratio 3 ratio 4. On a numbered line, which is greater? -15 and -3. So -3 is greater on a number line. LCM of 12, 24 and 48. आप इसका LCM निकालेंगे, it will be 48. 2 plus 7 multiplied by 9. The mass rule, 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 2 will be equal to 65. A natural number having only 2 factors, 1 and itself, is called prime number. If it has more than 2 factors, then it is known as composite number. If set P is having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, then which of the following statement is true? 2 is an element of P. Yes, it is true. 3 is not an element of P. It's false. 5 is an element of P. False. 2 is a subset, proper subset of P. तो चूंकि 2 के साथ आपके पास ब्रेसेस नहीं है, so it is not the subset. तो आपके पास जो पहली स्टेटमेंट है, that is true. 2 is an element of P. The empty set is represented dash letter phi. It's a letter of Greek language, phi. Dash forms the basis of all mathematics. Whole numbers, natural numbers, even numbers and odd numbers. So they are natural numbers. The sum of one even and one odd whole number is one even and one odd. For example, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 is an odd number. Numbers having more than 2 factors are known as. अब जिसके 1 से ज़्यादा 2 से ज़्यादा फैक्टर्स हैं, वो आपके पास कौन से नंबर्स कहलाते हैं? Composite numbers कहलाते हैं. And if they have 2 factors, they are known as prime numbers. यहाँ पर आपके पास इंटीजर्स हैं. -17 multiplied by 10 into -1. 10 1s are 1. -10 -10 and -17. Minus plus 17 10s are 170. If a number is divisible by 2 or more co-primes number, then that number is divisible by its. अब आपने बताना है कि अगर आपके पास एक नंबर है जिसके 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा को प्राइम्स से डिविजिबल हो, तो वो नंबर किस से डिविजिबल होता है? सो वो नंबर उनके प्रोडक्ट से भी डिविजिबल होता है. The product of two number is 2400. If their LCM is 120, their HCF will be. आप इसको डिवाइड कर लें. 12 2s are 24 and 20. If Q is having element A, B, C, D, then the true statements among. अब आपने इसमें से देखना है कि which is an element of set Q. B is an element of set Q. So this statement is true. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 up to so on is a set of dash numbers. अब आपने ये बताना है कि कौन से नंबर्स का सेट है. इवन तो नहीं है बिकॉज इसमें 9 है, प्राइम भी नहीं है, नेचुरल भी नहीं है. इट इज़ अ सेट ऑफ composite numbers because all numbers are having more than 2 factors. Set of natural number which is neither prime nor composite. ना तो प्राइम है ना ही वो कॉम्पोजिट है. आपने बताना है कि उसमें आपके पास क्या आता है. नेचुरल नंबर में आपके पास 0 नहीं आता. 2 इज़ अ प्राइम नंबर, 4 इज़ अ कॉम्पोजिट नंबर. तो नेचुरल नंबर में सिर्फ 1 ऐसा डिजिट है जो ना तो कॉम्पोजिट है ना ही प्राइम है. I is equal to 1, 3, 5 up to 15 is a dash set. It's finite set because its end limit is given, which is 15. A set of even prime number is only 2. 2 is the only even prime. The largest 5-digit number using 6890. 6890. आप 9 से स्टार्ट करें और उसको डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखते जाएं. 98610. The whole number that precedes 1000. Precedes means आप 1000 से पहले जो है कौन सा डिजिट आ रहा है. प्रीसीड पहले आप उसमें से 1 माइनस करें, दैट इज 999. A set of tall boys in your school is a dash set. It's not well defined set. Two sets are said to be equivalent if they have same number of elements. For example, a first set contains 4 elements. Then the second set also contains 4 number of elements. 12, 24 blank 2, 4, 6. अब देखें, ये ना तो इसके इक्वल है, ना ये इसका सबसेट है, ना ये इसका एलिमेंट है. सो दिस इज नॉट अ सबसेट. The whole number that precedes 1000 is 9900. That precedes 1000 is 999. This is wrong. I think so it's 10,000. The largest 5-digit number using 6890 is 9, 8, 6, 1 and 0. Pair of prime numbers having a difference of 2 are known as twin primes. जिनके दरमियान सिर्फ 2 digits का different हो, they are known as twin primes. Additive inverse of -5. आपने -5 का एडिटिव इन्वर्स लिखना है कि उसमें क्या चीज़ ऐड करें तो आपका आंसर जो है वो 0 आए. दैट इज़ +5. 231 divided by -11. Minus plus 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are 11. Option A 21. If two quantities form a ratio, the first one is called antecedent because the second is known as consequent. यहाँ पर आपने first term लिखनी है तो that is known as antecedent. Here are few examples of SLO based questions. For example, express the number in expanded form. तो हमने क्या करना है, इसको इसकी expanded form में write करना है. Write down the numerals representation of the following: 600,004,304. Obtain two quantities such that their HCF is 20 and their LCM is 300. फार्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर इज इक्वल टू LCM मल्टीप्लाई बाय HCF. फाइंड एन इंटीजर्स विच डिवाइड्स -100 टू गिव -5. माइनस प्लस 5 20s are 100. Find the ratio of 0.5 meter and 75 centimeter and simplify. First of all, we have to convert meters into centimeter, then simplify. At the following, we have 3 algebraic expressions and we have to add them. And the last is evaluation. If we have the value of x, y and z, and here is an algebraic expression, we have to put all these value in this. Thank you so much students. Allah Hafiz.